Hey guys, welcome back. I know I made a video like a couple minutes ago, but I'm making a video again because instead of just linking my my freaking stuff in the description, I'm gonna just tell you what it is. If you wanna check out my other channel, it is called Zorby. I guess I can. Yeah, if you want to check that out, it's called Zorby. And a lot of people get mad and say this and that because it's Zorby, not Czar B, Zorby. That's my old channel. And if you see a guy with blonde hair and a black marking on his face, that is my channel. Just to let you know, I think I'll make an update on that if I am, but I don't think I'm gonna. But I maybe might do a go away giveaway. And what I don't know if I'm the first one to come up with the idea, so I'm not gonna say it's mine. I'm just gonna call it the go away giveaway. So since I'm going away from that channel, I'll be doing a giveaway on that channel. It's either that or I might not just do it, cause I just got extra money laying around and I don't know what to do. So like, I'm not trying to flex or anything. I'm just saying, I got like leftover money. I would spend it on V-Bucks, but I don't want to. I just want to do something different. But like I said, I'll make an update video on that. I might not want to anyways. So, yeah. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. And peace the fuck